Good morning, HOD sir, Dr. Diwakar sir, and subject teacher Mr. Rudrendra Singh Rathod sir, and all my dear friend. Now we introduce our team member Deepak Maurya, Adit Pandey, Rudra Pratap Singh. We are here to present our presentation on the topic of StackNet. I am Vikas Maurya. I am now going to tell what is StackNet. StackNet is a malicious computer worm which uncovered is 2010 through to we have been developed since at least 2005. StackNet target supervisor control and data acquisition system and is believed to be responsible for causing damage to the nuclear program of Iran. StackNet especially target PLC. PLC means program logic controller, which allow the automation electrochemical process such as those used to control machinery and industrial process including gas for spreading nuclear material. StackNet has three modules. It basically has three modules. First, a worm. Second, a link file. Third, a USB flash drive. A worm that execute all routine related to the main payload of the attack, and a link file that automatically execute the propagate copies of the worm. Third is USB flash drive, a rootkit component responsible for hiding all the malicious file and process to the prevent direction of StackNet. It is typically introduced to target the environment as infected USB flash drive. What is the purpose of this virus? Its main purpose of this virus is to destroy the program of Iran, nuclear program of Iran. That two countries come together, USA and Israel government come together and plan to destroy the program of Iran. And how it is work? It is basically work on three functions. First is infection and spreading. Second, flash drive. Third is PLC. Now I'm going to what is infection. Infection means transfer the virus through one computer to another computer and spread throughout the system in that industry and destroy all of them together. And what is flash drive? Flash drive collect all the virus and all the files and put it only one system and spread throughout the system through internet. What is PLC? PLC is basically control logic control that control all the hardware through coding and destroy hardware. Basically PLC collecting information on industrial system and causing the fast spinning to tear them apart and damage them also. Now StackNet is basically based on operating system, which means which operating system is affected by this virus. The operating system which is affected by this virus is Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 2003, Windows Vista, Windows Server 2008, Windows 7, or Windows Server 2008 R2. Now I'm going to tell you StackNet virus attack. It's basically in three parts. First, StackNet worm attack on Iran nuclear facilities. Means that virus is fully made and created by the government of USA and Israel. It is not confirmed that the both government is included in this virus for making this virus, but it's the main aim for this virus is to destroy the Iran nuclear program. Now I'm going to tell deployment in North Korea. According to the report of Reuters, the NSA also tried to North Korea nuclear program using a version of Stuxnet. The United States tried to deploy a version of the Stuxnet computer virus to attack North Korea nuclear weapon program 5 years ago, but ultimately failed. The twins virus was designed to activate once it came across Korean language, setting on affected machinery, reports say. Now, third is Stuxnet 2.0 cyber attack. That means 2.0 is basically attack of all the system in Iran. That fire broke out at Iran nuclear facility on July 2, 2020 at Atomic Energy Organization of Iran (AEIOI). Spokesman said that the incident took place at one of the industrial seed under construction in the plant, which is located in the Iran. The country which is affected by this virus is Iran. Most of the part computer and affected by the country is top of the country which is affected by this virus is Iran. Second is Indonesia. Third is China, and then after USA, then Pakistan, then on other countries. What is the operation of this virus? That window infection, matlab Stuxnet attacked Windows system using an unpredictable 40 days attack. It is initially spreading using infection removal drives such as a USB flash drive, which contain Windows shortcut files to initiate execute code. The worm then used to other exploit and techniques such as a peer-to-peer remote procedure called RPC to infect and update other computers inside private network that are not directly connected to the internet. Now, software infection to research. Once the virus is installed, then means that install on Windows system Stuxnet infection project file belonging to the WinCCNP CS7 control software. The malware furthermore used to 0-day exploit in WinCC and CADA database software in the form of hard-coded database password. That PL infection, the entire of the Stuxnet code has not yet been disclosed, but it play low target only those cadre configured that meet criteria, that is the program to identify. Stuxnet required specific to attack the target of the system. It only attacks those PL system which is to specify in wonder, means it's connected to the all computer in that area which is the nuclear program is going on. Then a whole the computer will be destroyed after when the Stuxnet is installed in that computer. It work on the PLSL program logic controller. Thank you all of you. Any query, please ask.